Glycolic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid or AHA derived from sugarcane. It works by gently dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells, helping to relieve fresher, more radiant skin underneath. With regular use, glycolic acid can help improve skin texture, fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. Because it's a chemical exfoliant, it's important to start slowly, once or twice a week, and increase frequency as your skin builds tolerance. Always apply it on clean skin and follow with a moisturiser. And just like with retinol, daily sunscreen is essential, as glycolic acid can make your skin more sensitive to UV damage. If you have sensitive or very dry skin, make sure to patch test first or consult a skincare professional. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe or share it with someone getting started with exfoliants. See you next time!